If you are thinking about a profession with short duration of training with a good amount of salary, then medical scribing is one of the best courses that you can try on. You can easily call this course as job oriented course or new generation job. If you already have some skills, which I will discuss soon, or if you are willing to develop your skills, then you can become a successful medical scribers. Who is medical scribers? Medical scribers are physicians or doctors' personal assistants. It is a shadowing job of physicians. Medical scribers are emphasizing on documentation work. They don't have any direct role in treating patients. A physician has to mainly focus on patient care and treatment. However, after patient care, physician has to spend the rest of the time in documenting, which is a hectic work since he has to spend a particular time in front of computers after patient treatment. So, medical scribers help the physician in assisting for this documentation work. Hence, physician can more focus on treating his patients. Duties of medical scribers include recording or charting of physical examination, history taking, assessment, scanning, lab reports, and diagnosis. In countries like USA, it's part of the physician to document all his work in computers. Medical scribers in India will be assisting USA doctors and the whole documentation work will be done in India. With the help of technologies, medical scribers are able to watch and listen to the patient-physician conversation and help the doctors. In short, physician who wears Google Glass in the USA and virtual scribers are working from more economically backwards outsourcing countries like India. Thus, they are assisting in the physician's jobs. Scribers are part of a medical team itself and they are able to work for a fixed schedule. Students. Next, eligibility. Students who have finished +2, degree, paraprofessional or medical course could take this course. The minimum criteria is that you have to be just above 18. Next, skills. First of all, English writing skill. You should be able to understand American accent. Along with that, you should be able to document the patient-physician communication. Next, medical terminologies. You have to learn basic medical terminologies and should be able to document it. Next comes typing speed. Average typing speed that is expected for this job is 40 to 60 words per minute. For improving your typing speed, there are online typing practices which are available. Along with this, you need to learn how to use electronic record software. Next come good listening skills. You should be able to understand the conversation between physician-patient in English. Since you have to work with clients from USA, Canada, you should be familiar with their language. For people who has already completed medical paramedical courses will be able to catch medical terminologies more quickly than others. This is an added advantage for them. Duties. Medical scribers has to document all the relevant points between physician-patient interaction and they need to record with electronic software. On a daily basis, medical scribers has to use a lot of abbreviations or short terms while recording. Then they need to change into full medical terminologies later. In the gap between each schedules or time between treating the patients. How to become a medical scriber? The most common method which is followed in India is joining in any training institutions, followed by working in any medical scribing companies or joining in hospitals. Another method is that if you are already confident with the skills, then you could directly approach the medical scribing companies. Mostly they will take the preliminary test and gives you training. However, most common method is joining for a course of minimum 9 months. Time varies depending upon your skills. Salary. If you are clearing certification, the initial payment or stipend is rupees 20,000 based upon your experience and up to your level of experience or skills. They are promising a salary up to 38,000. Medical scribing is similar to BPO. This is an outsourcing business. Doctors in the USA, UK are expecting cheap laborers from the countries like India. That's the main reason why they are relying on Indian medical scribers. Next burning question is scope for medical scribers abroad. In abroad, there are two options, part-time or full-time. Part-time is the most preferred one. For people who have dreams of joining in a medical college in a university, what they does most of the time is that they join in any medical scribing companies and then they learn the medical terminologies. Moreover, they are getting a live experience, live clinical experience before the real university college experience, or before their academics they are having an experience of clinical experience since they are working as medical scribers. Next comes letter of recommendation. If there is a good relation between physician and medical scribers, there are more probability that the physician could refer you, or they could even give you letter of recommendations which will be helpful for you. So basically they are not relying on the salary itself. There are several other reasons also. Next, full-time medical scribing. So average salary expected is $10 to $15 per hour. However, there is a usually they are complaining that this is a minimum wage only. If you are working as a medical scribers abroad, then mostly you have to assist physician directly, not online scribing. For job purpose, you could approach any hospitals, or you could also even connect the third-party companies, scribing companies. So let's look at the positive side of this medical scribing. So first of all, the clinical experience that you gain, followed by the salary. If it's in India, then they are telling it's from 20,000 up to 38,000 salary will be there. Then the letter of recommendations. And what are the cons? Cons comes mostly it will be night shift or rotational shift. Then you have long working hours. Another thing is that work from home option is very less for this job. I hope you like my video. Thank you.